Time to talk health now on how One Valley Clinic is using an innovative treatment to help men and women here in the Valley. Here to tell us more is Dr. Kevin Aister with Peak Vitality. Thank you for joining us this afternoon.
Thank you for having me, Vanessa.
Okay, so first, can you tell us about Peak Vitality and what motivated you to start this clinic?
Yes, my journey in medicine spans well over 30 years. I began serving in the military, and then I moved to ER medicine and worked through many ERs throughout the country for many years. It was an exceptional experience where I had the privilege of caring for literally countless patients while collaborating with some amazing medical professionals. One of the challenges of ER medicine is that it is immediate and urgent care. It doesn't allow for deeper long-term care that many patients require. And that's precisely why I was inspired to open Peak Vitality.
Okay.
At Peak Vitality, we provide care for patients to reclaim energy, vitality, and health through cutting-edge therapies. And it's truly fulfilling to have such a meaningful impact in patients' lives.
Yeah, I bet. Oh my gosh, so you have so much experience under your belt. Yeah, and you definitely know what you're doing. So this was the perfect need here in Arizona, right? So your clinic offers a treatment called PPX. Can you tell us about it?
Oh, PPX, yes. First of all, understand that the human body is an amazing species. Every one of the trillion cells in your bodies constantly works or seeks health. That's a process we call homeostasis. What that simply means is it's your body's purpose to seek health constantly. PPX is your body's way of supporting that purpose.
Okay.
So what is PPX? PPX is a nanoparticle that is naturally produced by healthy cells that specifically targets and regenerates damaged cells in a remarkably efficient and powerful way. It's autologous. That simply means it comes from you, it's made for you, and it addresses your specific concerns. It's 100% completely natural, and it works synergistically with the processes in your bodies. When it targets those cells, those specific targets, it's honing in on damaged areas. Okay. And it reduces inflammation, promoting cellular regeneration and recovery. What that all means is that you get a therapy that you get advanced cellular regeneration and tissue repair. The procedure is safe, fast, there's no downtime. You can get accelerated results. You can get results in days, not months. And it is remarkably versatile. It can a wide variety of impact on chronic disease as well as many conditions.
Oh my gosh.
So PPX is really at the forefront of regenerative medicine, offering us a natural and transformative way to help people restore and maintain their health.
Okay, it sounds very helpful for our body.
Yes.
Okay, so now that people at home are watching this and they've learned a little bit more about it, if our viewers at home are interested in this treatment or they think that they know someone who may benefit from it, what would you recommend that they do?
Well, that's a great question and one that I'd like to answer, because gathering the right information before making a decision is always so important. What makes Peak Vitality so special is the time I dedicate to personally speak to every patient or anyone interested about restoring their energy, vitality, and health. So it provides this personalized in-care experience.
Okay, so I like that you have that one-on-one interaction there with your patients. So you mentioned that PPX is pretty easy, it's all natural, so when can someone expect to see results?
Well, understand how the process works. The process is exceptionally simple for PPX. It starts with a scheduled consultation where we discuss your needs and your goals. And in some cases, diagnostic laboratory or imaging may be required depending on the clinical conditions, but many patients, they don't require that. The process actually starts with a simple, straightforward blood draw in the office. That blood is then sent overnight to an FDA-registered CGAMP certified laboratory. that's where the process gets really meticulous, and I call it my NASA process, because the blood is then separated, filtered, and processed to isolate literally billions of exosomes. These nanoparticles are concentrated into a personalized therapeutic solution tailored just for you.
Okay, whoa, you shared a lot of valuable information with us this afternoon. So if people want to learn more, where do they go?
Where they would go is to our website, which is peakvitalityaz.com, or they can call the clinic directly at 480-550-6640.
All right.
And we will be happy to lead them down the path.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for joining us and sharing all of that valuable information.
Thank you for having me.
And if you want to learn more, go ahead and visit the website there or call the number on your screen.